I'm Holly Naldrett with Hidden Homes Montana, and I'm thrilled to share 530 North Foys Lake Drive with you. This unique property offers over 110 feet of premium water frontage off the sparkling shores of Foys Lake. This charming 1960s A-frame fixer-upper sits on a spacious 0.26-acre lot in a private serene cove. Whether you're seeking a cozy lakeside retreat or envisioning the dream home you've always wanted, this property is brimming with potential. Providing direct access to the tranquil waters of Foys Lake, enjoy breathtaking panoramic views, including Treasure Island. It offers endless opportunities for recreation, relaxation, and immersing yourself in the stunning natural beauty of this incredible location. The lot includes an on-site septic system, though not of record, as well as water rights. This gives you a head start if you choose to build or keep the rustic A-frame. Additionally, you're just minutes from downtown Kalispell's dining, shopping, and entertainment, 25 minutes from the stunning Flathead Lake, and less than an hour from Glacier National Park. Adventure is always close at hand. Take in breathtaking valley views at Lone Pine State Park, only 15 minutes away, or enjoy convenient travel with Glacier Park International Airport, only a 20-minute drive. This is more than just a lakefront property. It's your gateway to a lifestyle filled with beauty, relaxation, and endless memories, all while staying conveniently close to town. Your dream life is only a phone call away. Contact myself or any of the Hidden Homes Montana team to schedule your private tour.